Hi guys, welcome back to the second episode of me helping YouTubers. So in this video I'll be talking about how to be a more productive YouTuber, because being a YouTuber on its own is very hard, but fancy managing a job, kids, a house, every other thing that life offers to you, education, and on top of all that, add being a YouTuber to it. So I'll just give you 5 tips on how to be a YouTuber. The first one is to clump up your tasks. I mean, like, write 5 scripts when you have the time, pre-film 7 videos if you have the time. Just do as much things as you can when you have the time. Like, write 5 scripts, do as much as you can before you get busy again. The second one is to get a planner. It just helps you get a vision of what you're supposed to do at the right time, and when there's a blank space in your planner, then you know that you have something to do and you have to do it. The third one is to learn about the softwares that you use. This will enable you to know shortcuts to use to make your job easier. Learn how to properly use iMovie, Adobe Premiere Pro, or Photoshop. Like, it's just make your work very, 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 very easy when it comes to editing, because you'll know what to do, you'll know where to start from, you will know where to continue, if that makes any sense. The next one is to preset things. If possible, get a permanent filming room so that all you just have to do is just sit down and film your video and go. Like, there's no need to be rearranging your lights, arranging your settings, arranging your background. You already have everything there for you and ready to go. Yeah, that was a flop. The last one is to get inspired regularly. Read books, watch other people's videos. This just means that you would have ideas to do and you would not run out of ideas, if that makes any sense. So yeah. So guys, that's it. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, and if you want more videos, leave your suggestions down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And if you have any more questions, leave them down below. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay educated, and stay motivated. And don't forget to drink water and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.